Hi guys, it's WordPress here again. Welcome back. In our last module, we are able to install WordPress into our online server and we understand cPanel. In this episode, we are going to be installing our theme into the online website. So the theme we are going to be using is called Newspaper. Just search it on your Google Newspaper theme. Yeah, Newspaper theme is on Everton Markets or ThemeForest. ThemeForest.net is a platform that you buy theme. There are thousands of millions of themes that is available there that you can get and buy it and use it for your WordPress website. But now the theme we are going to be using is called Newspaper theme. So let us just preview it and see what it can offer. So this is the theme. It has different templates that you can manipulate. These are different templates that is available for us to use. I think this is cool. You can view demo. Yeah, these are different demo. Like this is already like a news website that we are looking for. Wow. See the preview. Like a news website that you want. So now the theme is available for us to use, and if you want to buy it, you can just buy it at the rate of $59. So now, but what I'm going to do is that just go to my website. I have this theme free for you and you can use it. So go to my website, WordPress.com. So in my website, WordPress.com, just come to resources. Under resources, click on WordPress theme. So access my WP premium theme. This will open a drive for you that you can see all my premium theme that I make available. Under news related, which is the theme that we are going to do, this way I store it for you. I have access to it. So double click to open. This is the same Newspaper WordPress 11. So these are different themes that is available for you to use, and but just download this one. Version 11.2 is the one that is more trusted that I use. I bought it and I'm giving it out for you free. So there is this 11.5. There are some websites that is available for you to download a theme. Maybe in the next section I will explain different websites that you can download most of the premium tip for you free. You can just download it, right click and download. Just download anyway. So I'll check my download. Yeah, it has download finished. So just locate it in your download folder. I have the theme here. It's best to just create a new folder for you. So I'll call it TT, which is for theme, and move the file there. So extract the file. Yeah, you have to have this software called WinRAR before you be able to extract a file. If at all you don't have a software called WinRAR, on that same file, on that same drive, I have moved back to WordPress theme. I have software. So under the software, double click. So I have WinRAR. You can easily download it and use it, and just right click, download. So I've already installed it in my system, so I can easily extract any file. So it's used for extraction of file and zipping of a file, any zip file. So we have it here. These are the theme, everything, the plugin, the logo, the demo slider, everything you want about the theme is there. Premium. I will install the theme to our online server. So from the website jebelplumbing.com, so we access our admin panel by just press WP. That's admin, my username and my password. I've already saved it, so I will just log in. Just put in the username and the password you use while you are creating your WordPress in the cPanel. So hola, I'm in the WordPress dashboard. So what I just want to do is that I want to install a theme. I'll just go to theme. So I want to add new one. Since we already know the theme that we're going to use, add new. So just click on upload theme. Choose file. See, this is the folder I created, TT, and this is the newspaper theme. Make sure you locate the one with zip. You understand? It's around 1.2 megabytes. Click on it, upload, and install now. So like after installing the upload, so you can preview, you can activate. So let's just activate it. Automatic, it has activated. Team welcome page. So this system status is very important that you check it. You see on the left side there is PHP version that we install 6.6. It asks us to install anyone that is above 7 points, and the WP memory limit we should increase is 40 megabyte. We should increase it. So just check all the condition in the system status now before you start installing any plugin or anything. So what I'm going to do is that since I'm using my online server, I will just go to my cPanel and access these resources. So no close. So from the hosting panel, that is the hugohost.com, locate my services, and easy from my services I can locate cPanel, just one click. So in our cPanel now, let's go back to our WordPress theme. So from our WordPress site, we check it. What do you want to change first? PHP version, which they recommend us to put it in 7 points. So we are going to locate multi PHP manager. We open it and make sure we are on our domain. And what we want to change now is that we are changing our PHP version. We change it here to 7.0 and we apply. So hola, our website, we now have 7.0. So let's go back to our WordPress theme. What we are going to do is that we are going to delete caching and make sure that everything reload. Hola, now our PHP version have marked correct. So the next thing we are going to do now is that we are going to change the WP memory limit. Okay, so back to the cPanel, check for multi PHP ini editor, INI editor. So we select our domain and we want to change the WP memory limit, right? Okay, WP memory limit. So we locate WP memory limit, which is this memory limit. We are in 100 and 300. So maximum upload size, upload file. Let's change it to like 200 megabytes. So what again? Execution time, PHP maximum variable 2000. Executor time should be 60,000. PHP maximum variable something up to 2000. So let's put 3000 for us to be on the safer side. So maximum executable time, we have 30. They recommend us to put 60. Let's just put 70 and we save it. We apply the changes. Sometimes it will work and sometimes you just have to like work around it again. Hola, we have our PHP execution time is correct, the maximum variable is correct. So yeah, only what is remaining now is just the WP memory limit. So there is one way I'm going to teach you how you can increase that. So from our website condipress.com, just click on blog, and from the blog you will see a blog post that says how to increase WordPress memory limit. Click on it, open it, and scroll down. This is the method that we are going to use. We are going to use the method like configure our WP config and add this code to increase the WP memory limit. So let's just open here down. We have to navigate to our file manager. That is in the cPanel now. So file manager, you open public.html, and then what you are going to look for is called WP config. So WP config, you first click on it and right click on it, click on edit. This open a dialog box, edit again, and these are the code. What you're going to do is just go back to that blog post that you open, copy this and come back to the WP, find a place, to paste it and retype it yourself. Define WP capital letter underscore memory. Be conscious of the spelling. Limit comma 256 megabyte. This one is just megabyte that you want to increase it to. It can be 500, it can be 700. So make sure you check it well, everything is the same thing. Now delete the one that you copied. Delete and go save changes. Yeah, now move to our WordPress. If everything work now, delete cache. We hope everything work now. Hola, everything is working. We have our WP memory limit now increased to 556, which is okay. This is what we want. This is what we want to do. So now click on install and activate plugin. So we click on it and it's already installing. This might take a while depending on your network. So after everything installed, it tells you successful. So it automatically reload. Now you choose a template. You see the theme is registered, and these are thousands of templates that we can choose from. Thousands of templates. All these templates is free. Oh, hola. So we are building a news portal. So just find the template that go with your goals. I think I like this Magazine Pro. Just click on it. You can preview it, open a new tab, but we just install. Yes, it depends on your internet. It can take a while. Hola, our demo is installed already, so we can uninstall if you want, if you don't want it to use this one again. But I like this, so let's just go to our website homepage. So from here you can click on visit website, which will open our website homepage. Hola, we're able to install a theme to our website cjbplumbing.com and see the templates. Wow, this is cool, just like a news portal website already. So what we are going to do is that I will teach you how you can configure this to your own website and how you can use it in your own blog and manipulate it to your own personal blog.